how to fix your trusted insurance guide problem. So if you want to fix your trusted insurance guide problem, then what you need to do is change your phone's default home launcher back to your original system launcher in your settings. For that, you need to open up your phone settings at first. After opening your phone settings, you need to scroll down and tap on Apps. Under Apps, you need to go with Manage Apps or Default Apps. Then you need to go and select the Home application and switch it back to your phone's system launcher or the original launcher, and your problem might be fixed. If not, you need to delete the bad app, which is you need to go back to your apps list in your settings, or just simply go with the app list right here. Look for the strange or recently downloaded app which is causing the ads. After that, tap on the app and then choose Remove. Or you can also tap on Uninstall. Tap on it, go with the app info, and you will find the uninstall option. Tap on Uninstall and uninstall the application. After that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.